The Master Data screen in the Sponsored Programs module will provide the user virtually all of the information on the project they're reviewing. By selecting the Master Data button at the main menu, you'll be directed to that screen where you can view from the tabbed format virtually all the information on that project. You'll notice to the left of this screen will be the sponsor information that was entered with the proposal, as well as the university administration that has been pulled over based on the staff ID of the principal investigator. The search code at the lower left of your screen, it has automatically been assigned by the system so that the user will be able to easily identify and search for that particular project. The search code is made up of the last name of the principal investigator, as well as the 4 digits for the fiscal year the project will begin, the acronym that was assigned for the project, as well as the status. You'll notice that this project is a pending project, so in the project information you will notice the heading proposed period of performance, as well as the far right, the fiscal year breakdown will indicate proposed fiscal year breakdown. The tabbed format will default to the summary function page where you will see the proposed figures. If the project had been awarded, those figures would have been brought down here to show the amount that was awarded, or revised or adjusted as well. Below that tabbed format, you'll notice that there were no IRB, ICOOC, or export control issues that should be addressed on the proposal, and that the proposal itself has been linked. To access that document, the user would go back into the linked document section from the main menu. The tabbed format here shows information on the proposal. A notes section has been added here for your use. The awards, which would break down the grant year. Any revisions or adjustments that have been made. The contract section will display the contract terms and any subcontracts that are applicable to the project. The Compliance tab will show you any IRB, export control, or ICOOC issues. And the Historic Breakdown, once the project is awarded, will give you a breakdown of the funding for each fiscal year and show you just the portion of the funds that are applicable to that fiscal year. As with all of the layouts in the sponsored programs and the majority of the other modules, you'll notice the navigational tools at the top again, the Return to the Sparks, which will take you to the Hub main menu. The blue button will return you to the main menu of the sponsored programs module, and the help screens will direct you into the Hub and allow you access to the help screens that relate specifically to that module. The current fiscal year is displayed at the top, as well as the tracking number, the status of the project, whether it was a new or renewed project, the date it was submitted, fiscal year it was submitted, whether there are any stimulus funds applicable. Once the project is awarded, the account number would be entered here, and this shows the date the project was originally submitted. This allows for those projects that may be a recurring project so that the user can track the original submission.